Across many industries, one name brings technology and sector expertise together. 5 decades of specialist software experience, serving 50,000 plus customers across 70 countries, achieving plus 33 Net Promoter Score above the industry average, hosting 34,000 customers in the Klipboard cloud. High-performance solutions built specifically for distribution, automotive, equipment rental, manufacturing, field service, retail, and more. One cloud platform that connects every part of your operation, giving clarity, consistency, and control. One solution that helps your company to grow sustainably, serve customers consistently, increase efficiency without complexity. Cloud-based, scalable, designed for your industry, built to evolve. 24-hour specialist support wherever you operate. One Klipboard, bringing industry-leading brands together to strengthen our specialist solutions, empower our customers, and expand our global reach. Tools that help every customer move faster, work smarter, and achieve more. Klipboard, software that keeps your business moving. See what's possible with Klipboard. Speak to our industry experts to future-proof your business.